If you were to go to college to be a voice major, you know, instead of just taking lessons with me, you would have to learn something called IPA, which is the International Phonetic Alphabet. And when you learn the International Phonetic Alphabet, each symbol makes one sound only. So no diphthongs like a, just a or ya. And after you learned IPA, you would learn all the rules for the different foreign languages from Europe, the major European languages, and you would have to learn how to transcribe each language into the International Phonetic Alphabet. So no matter what your native tongue may be, you're able to sing any song from the major European languages with accurate diction, which is something singers get really snooty about. So in these warm-ups that you are starting, you will have IPA letters to let you know what syllable to sing. And you, since you have never been a voice major, probably don't know these, but this is the chart. And oh, it's a little blurry, but so this A with the little hook on top is ah, like father, and then the letter, it looks like a lowercase e, it makes the A sound, like fate is the example they give. The I with a dot, lowercase I with a dot, is E. And so that one is confusing because if you speak English, when you see the lowercase I with a dot, you want to say I, but it's E. Just like if you ever took Spanish class in school, the I makes an E sound. And I suppose if you speak Spanish, you probably say the I makes an I sound when instead of an E sound. But, you know, that's from my English speaking perspective. And then the O just makes an O sound. That one's easy to remember. U makes an oo sound. And so in the exercises, when they give these syllables, if you see the A with the hook, you know you're supposed to say ah. And then when you see the O, you know you're supposed to say O. The E is going to be A, and the I is going to be E, so on and so forth. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to the world of IPA. It's a happy day for you.